I am Prophet Jeremiah Fufai. Yes, it is a wonderful day and a wonderful hour. Yes, why I'm coming out in order to now address the people who are there and in order to now make this video. It's something that which is what is now trending right now, that people are now, calls are everywhere. Calls are everywhere. Father, you are like this, Father, you are like this. So what is there? Is the calls are coming, begging, this one begging me. I know. This is how the thing goes. The Bible clearly stated, myself, I am not God. Something that happened right recently, these few days, about a young man called Matthias. And people are now, different groups are now, confusion everywhere. People now say, what is going on in this school? Okay, as a man of God, calls everywhere, calling back, now what is going on? Forgive your mind. I am not God. I have to come out and say what is in my mind. What is in my mind is this. We are all human. However you insult me, you insult this one, insult me. Because what really happened, it was really, as flesh. That's why I was, react to that extent. I will react to that extent. We are all flesh. So, but what is really there, Matthias, I want to now tell everybody that Jeremiah Omotofufui has nothing to do with Matthias. Matthias, wherever you are, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. Because why? I'm a man of God. Man of God, in other words, that I have to forgive. I have to forgive. Forgiveness is divine. I am forgiving you from the bottom of my heart. I'm forgiving you. Because however the story, what am I going to do if I now take you to this place? If I now arrest you, what's the benefit? And also, there's no benefit there. So, as a man of God, I'm now come out and tell all the people that who are there, that now sons and daughters who are angry over there, whatever country you are, please, I'm begging you, I am forgiving bottom of my heart. However you insulted me, please, as a man of God, forgiveness is divine. So I want you people to also forgive. But I want to now show you, I want to take you to real, a place right in the Bible, clearly. I want you to take you to Ephesians 4:31. Says, let all bitterness and wrath and anger and clamor and evil speaking be put away from you with all malice. 32 says, and be ye kind one to another. Be ye kind one to another. Be ye kind one to another. Tender-hearted. Forgiving one another. Even as God, for Christ's sake, had forgiven you. So, who am I not to forgive? So, brother, wherever you are, whatever place that you are watching me, I am forgiving Matthias. I don't have anything to do with Matthias. So, anybody that any there from my bottom of my heart. So, the same thing the Bible also stated clearly in the book of John. John clearly stated there that I want to also show you about, say forgiveness. Because forgiveness is really divine. It says, John book clearly stated here, John 13, I'm going to 13. 13 says, 34. Yeah. John 13, I'm going down. Yeah, it's clearly stated here. 34. A new commandment I give unto you, that ye love one another as I have loved you, that ye also love one another. So, if Christ loved one another, what are we going to do? He said we have to love one another. This is not, what has happened. I don't have anything in mind. So Matthias, don't be afraid anywhere, any place. I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. So because he has already, God said we should forgive. Who am I not to forgive? You know why? The Bible says here we should do charity always. What I read just now, show love to one another. What I'm doing is not mine. It's a command where I read just now. It's a command, a commandment from God. God has, it is not by my power. It's God that will give me this grace in order to give. Let me show you something very quickly before I run up. Why I'm giving, not only the people that I'm seeing, I'm praying for before I give. In the year 2019, March 30th, something happened. A man, an actor, 2019, March 30th, an actor came. This is a group of actors, forum, led by Emeka Rolas, Kenayo, Shegu Arenji, and also Mama O. They came in order, they pleaded with me. I don't know this young man called Liu Mejie. They said Liu Mejie is sick. That's through kidney. The man wanted to die. So please, that this happened 2019 March. So I sent 3 million naira. Look at that. Look at how they came. See how he was sick. See how he was sick in the in the hospital. So you also look at it. Everybody look at it. He was sick in the hospital. When you see, look at this one. The young man was sick in the hospital. This is called kidney. Cry for help in Lagos. So they came. I gave them 3 million. Do you know that tomorrow, today, to this date, see the man, young man, Liu Mejie, he came. You see him? Do you see him well? The man did not come here. But the people who came, the actors, forum, they came. I gave them 3 million to this young man. Do you know that throughout today, right now, I've never set my eyes on this young man. After sending 3 million naira through the actors to him, I've never set my eyes to this young man. This actor, I've not known him. Even he appeared here, I don't know him. So that is called charity. Give unto thee. So today I am here. I tell all the people that all over the world, Jeremiah Mutufufui, whatever insult that's coming up or anywhere, I am forgiving the young man called Matthias. So please, sons of arrest anybody. No arrest. No more arrest. Please. I'm begging everybody to now stop this one. And God bless you, viewers all over the world. Thank you very much. I remain Prophet Jeremiah Omotofofui. And this one did never ever stop me to give anybody. This one, whatever thing that happened today, it can never ever stop me. Stop my giving. My giving continues. Because God, that's the covenant that I've promised God. That if He bless me, I will bless His children. That what those who are needy. So thank you very much. God bless you and God bless you. Thank you. Love you all.